Hey, this is Mickey with Mickey Woods Marketing. Are you sick of hearing about the coronavirus? COVID-19. COVID-19. Well, me too. So let's talk about it. So here's my idea. I would love for you, all you people watching this video right now, to comment below, message me, email me, and let me know what your shop is doing in light of this whole coronavirus craziness. What are you guys doing? Are you open? If you're open, what's your shop doing to help keep your employees safe, you safe, your guests safe, your dealership partners safe, all that kind of stuff? And how are you remaining efficient? How have you transitioned your style of business to work with the limitations that we have right now? If you are closed, which I know some of you guys are, what are you doing? Are you pushing more information out on social media to get people excited and pumped up since they have so much extra time that now they have time to think about all the repairs that they should be making on their homes, on their cars, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. What are you doing? I'm sure you're doing planning of some kind, because what else would you be doing besides stressing out? So I would love to hear from you. Like I said, open or closed, what is your shop doing right now? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all that information plus the procedures and policies that my shops that I work with, put all that together, and I'm gonna do another video and share with you what shops across the country are doing so we can all help each other out. And you can feel free to pick bits and pieces from everything that I share and figure out what works best for you and your staff and your shop. This all dies down, which it will, but we wanna be able to sprint right off the starting line, right? We're waiting at the starting line. We can see it, it's coming. Once that gun goes off, we want to be able to sprint. So let's be ready. So what are we planning? What are we doing? How are we strategizing? How are we adjusting? How are we going to conform to all of this? It really is taking a massive amount of flexibility right now and a fairly inflexible business, which is the auto body world. We like to do things the way we've always done it. So anyway, please share and look forward to talking with you guys later. Bye.